Mental health first aid has become an important top topic for our industry. It's something I think that's been overlooked for some time. First aid and physical fitness has always been something that everybody knows is an important thing for people's well-being, but mental health is often a taboo and something that a lot of organisations don't really tackle. And so for Sandwell Leisure Trust, we decided to do something about this and undertake training for all of our senior managers and for all our key officers, so we could provide a level of support to our staff in the same way that you do with first aid, but so we can try and help to identify and have some early intervention for people who might need support, who may be suffering or showing early indication of signs of some mental health condition. The key benefits for us really is it shows how we can continue to support our employees and maintain a healthy workforce, which is important and a priority for the organisation.
Wellbeing Limited supported Sandwell Leisure Trust with their mental health training by really getting to understand and get to know the organisation. Sandwell Leisure Trust made it really easy for us because they were very clear in what they wanted to achieve. They wanted to lead from the front, so they wanted to make sure all of their senior managers were trained in mental health first aid training, so they were able to have someone in each part of the business to support their staff. My experience with mental health training is it's such a useful tool for organisations. It's just as important as physical first aid. Currently in the UK, it costs employers £35 billion each year. £22 billion of that is due to people being at work but not being as productive due to mental ill health. And about 10.6 billion of that is actually people being off sick from work with mental health illness. So it's really, really important that we can do something about that and raise awareness of mental health first aid. The advantages of having mental health training in your organisation is there are so many benefits to it, but it's probably easiest to start with the most simple. The first thing is it gives you confidence and the tools to talk to your employees about what's going on with them. So when you've got that gut feeling that something isn't quite right with somebody, it empowers you to talk to that person about what's wrong, and it enables you to support that person and get that person further help as well if needed. Mental health first aid training also allows you to manage your own well-being and make sure that you're okay in a good position to support the staff that you're working with.
Mental health is something that's always been really close to my heart. I've got personal experience of mental health. My dad died by suicide, and I've faced my own battles with anxiety as I've grown through my adult years. Going on the mental health training has enabled me to help other people who are having similar symptoms. It's raised my confidence in dealing with my own health and well-being, and also helps me to have more confidence to talk to other people who may be suffering. In our industry, we have to be happy, the happy-go-lucky people. We have to be positive, healthy role models, and that can make it all the more taboo to acknowledge and admit that sometimes we're struggling. The mental health first aid training went through a broad range of issues from depression, anxiety, psychosis, bipolar. It helped us to identify the signs and the symptoms that you wouldn't necessarily see, and then gave us the tools and ability to have those conversations and really help and support people who are facing struggles, even those people who are at crisis point. Sandwell Leisure Trust identified that it's really important to have some people in an organisation that is able to speak to people about difficult subjects, for those people to be able to go to somebody and have that help and support that they really need. And I'm really grateful to Sandwell Leisure Trust for helping me help other people in the future.